Hello everybody, this is API Battery. Welcome to your first tutorial on Perl Programming. Now, before we get started with everything, you're going to want to get to a Perl interpreter. If you're on Mac or Linux, you should already have Perl installed because it just comes naturally with the language. I don't know anything about Mac OS X, so please try not to go deep into detail with me about it. With Strawberry Perl and Windows, you're going to want to use the 32-bit version. If you know exactly what you're doing, you can use either or if you know exactly, or the 64-bit if you know exactly what you're doing. Otherwise, just use the 32-bit. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is called a text editor. And my favorite one is Gedit, or gedit, I guess. And here's the link to it, http://ftp.genome.org, gnome.org/pub/genome/binary/win32/gedit/2.30/ that's a long thing. But after you download that and install the Strawberry Perl and install both of these, the next thing that you're going to want to do is open up a blank document and then save it as, let's see here, chapter 1 source, yes, replace. Okay, now the next thing that you're going to want to do is open up your text editor, which is this, and click on new, and then it should do that, and then you save as basically what it just did, but make sure you have the .pl extension right here. That's very important. Yeah, see the .pl right there? That's very important. Now, the next thing that you're going to want to do is type inside the box !bin/bin/user. Oh wait, it's user/bin. Yeah, user/bin/perl. And then after that, you're going to want to comment your code, programmer, calling API battery, program, my first program, and then you're going to want to print, and then quote, and then you're going to type in hello world. Now, that should, and then you're going to want to save it. Now, after that, you're going to want to open, where is it, Perl Teachings, chapter 1, where you saved it. And as you can see, hold on a second, I need to make a batch file first. Usually you do an IDE for this, but there's really no good IDE out there for it. So let's make a new one, call it adacoff, save it, let's see here, start.bat, and then do that, and then you're going to want to do Perl, the name of it, chapter 1 source.pl, and then pause. This is just for me, and then save it. Okay, let's see here. You're going to want to start that. Oh, whoops, did I make an error? Source.pl. Yeah, I did it right. Oop, forgot chapter right there. Save it. Okay. Hello world, push any key. Okay. Reload that and exit. Now, as you can tell, it works. And the reason why it squished it all together is because there's no /n. Now, what the /n does is simply makes an extra line at the bottom. Like for an example, it just pushes it down one line. Let me show you that now. See, it pushed it down instead of squishing it all together. Save that. And there you go. Now you can put an extra line right here too. Or /n. /n. Yes, that's right. /n. And then it adds another line. So as you can tell, this one means it's the next line. And, oh goodness, that's not what I want. Ooh, that's interesting. Didn't know I could do that. That's full screen mode on gedit. I didn't think I could do that. Anyways, you can put multiple print signs in here. For an example, how are you today? Today, end quote, and that. Now another thing that you, oops, I forgot one thing. Use strict, use warnings. What these do, well, I'll get to strict in the next episode, but your warnings is very good for you to have, because it simply allows you to it allows the interpreter to find warnings within the code before they actually happen. Kind of like a compiled language that finds things first. Actually, these comments are supposed to come first because that's good practice. But oh well. Paste that there. Now, let's think here. Okay, you say you're going to use feature quote. Oh yeah, QW parentheses quote quote and say the say quote. I think this might work. Now, what the say does is it simply puts a slash in at the end of that. So you could do say, parentheses, quote, quote, hello world. And then you save it, run it, and start. Oh goodness, it's not supported by the... yeah, let's get, oh yeah, we could get rid of that. Okay. And then save it. There you go. That's one of the commands that nobody knows about really. So use feature say, and it's basically the same thing as the print with the slash in, /n at the end of the line. An interesting thing that you could do also is say single quotes and then put hello world. And it does the exact same thing as this, except if we put a /n inside the single quotes, it will literally read, oops, that's not it, Starbound server. It will literally read /n, as you can see right there. Now, on my next tutorial, I'm going to be going over variables, and that's going to be an interesting one. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.